memo.
At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line from Overtug Rio Peroni to 7 nautical miles west of Altamaha Sound, moving southeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicating. Intact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include CRH3, John Bird, Rio Peroni, ALT3, Grays Reef 3, Buoy BH, Doughboy Sound Buoy and Altamaha Sound. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.